Hello everybody, everyone. I would like to share you about replace timing bell Iveco daily V box body. Then modern estate 29L15V certified C15lV 40C15lV 50C15lV 107 kilowatt. So if you work with reflex timing bell for Iveco daily V box daily in estate, you understand about requirement special tool. This is the cam block pin. This is the cam shop. Excuse me. Cam shop sitting bowl. This is heavy duty pulley. We take out, we take in. This is the ground blocking pin. This is the belt tension testing. This is ground pulley screw 13 Newton meter. This is auxiliary drive bell deflection pulley 25 Newton meter. This is auxiliary drive tension roller. You can take it out 25 Newton millimeter. Two twitch bell guide. You can take out with the screw M6 7.5 Newton meter. It's the cam pulley ball without solid camshaft 90 Newton meter, with hollow camshaft 130 Newton meter. Tension roller screw, you can take 32 and 40 Newton meter. It is if you remove battery, bumper, drain cooler, remove cooler with condenser charge, air cooler and cooler fan, remove fan wheel, remove accessory tray, this connect line, disconnect electric connection, unscrew, remove the fan clutch, unscrew, screw, remove bell pulley, remove accessory tray belt deflection, remove accessory tray belt tension roller. One is the launch, two is the electric connection. Two. It is 3 is screw, 4 is the holder screw, is 5 is the fan dash, 5 is the hand dash, 6 is the pulley screw and accessory drive belt deflection pulley is 7. 8 is the accessory drive belt tension roller. If you see like the picture 2, you see that this the 4 is the coolant compensation tank screw, 2 is the hoses, 1 is the tool belt guide, 3 is electric connector, 3 and 4 in coolant expansion, 3 reservoir. So you can take out the loose the cable harness and from the twitch bell guide, remove all filter cover, remove engine cover, remove twitch bell guide, pull off the hoses, disconnect electric connection, unscrew coolant compensation tank screw, and remove the coolant reservoir. Is the picture for you take out. 1 is the return bracket screw, 2 is the returning clamp. This is the picture 3. Unscrew, return and column screw, remove, return and unscrew, remove and valve cover locking screw. This I mentioned. Picture 4 is the one is the locking two camshell. One is one. Okay. 2 is the ball camshell. Then the 1 and 2 is the, you can see the locking tool come. So it's very important to understand about this. You can rotation engine in direction rotation until camshaft lock tool can be inserted. Inserting cam lock it requires special tool. So this is the one you say. One is the TDC cam gear marking this gear, and this the time is marking. Number 2 is the TDC crank gear marking. Crank gear number 2 is the mark like this, like this. Number 3 in the shearing plug. Number 3 in the shearing plug. Look me to then here. Number 4 is crank blocking pin. The blocking pin is this one. So do you understand about this? Do you work? You must understand like this. So I mentioned. So number 3. Number 4, Y twist bell rotor. Y rotor and twist bell. Number 6. Number 6 is this one. So yes, I hope you understand. This is the significant. Remove plug, insert the crankshaft blocking pin, unscrew tension roller screw, release tension roller, take off the touch bell, requires special tool, crank blocking pin. Then I mentioned, install, use only the tool bell approach by manufacturer, crankshaft pulley and crankshaft pulley must not be rotation completely with the twist bell. Remove with the solid camshaft. Unscrew a camshaft pulley from the shaft. Using suitable tool. The camshaft pulley must be able to be turned by the hand without with the tail tightening. But Mama come. With solely camshaft, unscrew the camshaft pulley from camshaft using the suitable tool. The camshaft pulley must be turned by without tightening. Continue for all vehicle. Adjust, insert camshaft, tightening camshaft pulley screw manual with the tool bell. Observe the installation position. The camshaft pulley crank pulley marking must be aligned with its on drive bell. Require the special tool camshaft location heavy duty pulley that I mentioned. This is marked with 3 and 2. The rotation from this one to this one. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. 2 and the bell marking. And 3 is the camshaft pulley marking. 1 is the camshaft location pin. With location pin. This is mark. 4 is camshaft pulley crankshaft pulley marking. 4 is marking with the 2 is 2 and 4, 2 and 3. 5 is the camshaft pulley ball. 5 is the camshaft pulley ball. Yeah, I think you understand like this. You work with the machine that I mentioned about is the machine car. A vehicle hit Iveco daily V box body stage 35C15lV certified C1 that I mentioned. I think that is all for that I mentioned. You understand about it? You know all the program like this. I think the finish is you work like this. You finish all. You understand all. You can work in machine like this. So I hope you understand for all of the I mentioned. Yes. Or yes. I think this is best for you to work. This is one is the tension roller screw. Is two is the reference tool. Is the reference. This is two reference. There be two reference, and three is the hexagon socket. We hex with the hair rotation screw. This is marking from this one to this point. Reference tool. If you take this out, take this rotation until this one, and it takes screw out. Yes, then I mentioned I can hold the screw in the place. Rotation, tension roller, eccentric, counterclockwise until the reference mark a packing cover. Tightening tension roller screw. To take this hexagon socket, this one, in rotation clockwise, this one, and take this one is tension roll screw, and this is marked with this is. You take and we take the screw this out. Just remove camshaft location pin or tension camshaft pulley. Remove locking tool. Remove this one. Remove locking tool one. Just rotation engine 8 times in direction. Engine revolution. Insert cam blocking pin. Insert crank blocking pin. That I mentioned. Insert this locking pin. Insert this blocking pin. Rotate the engine. Rotate the engine to 8 revolution. 4. The crank blocking pin. Is so 1 is the cam blocking pin. Take this out. Yes. Yeah. Tension roller reach should be above reference hole and otherwise repeat tension. That this is point mark. This is that I want to mark this one. So check the two spare tension between camshaft, timing gear wheel, and deflection point. Check the two spare tension between deflection and tensioning roll pulley. Require the special tool, belt tension or ear. Installation reverse order remove. Start engine check function. Carry out the test drive. Document to belt. Yes, you can take one is measuring point. Measuring point. This one is the 2 measuring point and as well. Check. If you understand, you can work like machine. Requirement be carried out specialist and completely. I think that specially We are car mechatronic specialist and car electronic, car and mechanic. Alternative the required can be performance and trained by expert. Thank you. I thank you for watching all the I mentioned, so you understand about it. The blocking cam, then tension roller, marking this one. There's a pin locking cam, the crank locking cam, then marking this one, marking, then a crank marking, then a cam marking. Your rotation 18H time for the engine. I think that's all. They're easy. You understand about it. Thank you for watching. If you work machine like car like this, you can work. Thank you so much for working.